Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're tackling a common challenge for many homeowners and renters, making the most out of small spaces. If you're living in a compact home or apartment, you know how crucial it is to have efficient storage solutions. In this video, we'll share practical and stylish ideas to maximize your space and keep your home organized. When space is limited, every piece of furniture should serve more than one purpose. Choosing the right multifunctional furniture can help you maximize your living space without compromising on comfort or style. Here are some great options. 1. Storage ottomans. These versatile pieces not only provide a comfortable spot to sit or rest your feet, but they also feature hidden storage inside. Perfect for stashing away small items like blankets, remote controls, or books, storage ottomans are an excellent way to keep your space organized while offering extra functionality. 2. Sofa beds with storage. Ideal for accommodating guests, a sofa bed with storage is a practical choice for small spaces. It offers a cozy seating area by day and easily transforms into a comfortable bed at night. Many models also include hidden storage, making it a great solution for storing extra bedding, pillows, or seasonal items. 3. Expandable dining tables. An expandable dining table allows you to save space on a daily basis, but gives you the flexibility to expand when hosting guests. Whether you're entertaining family or friends, this type of table can easily adjust in size to suit your needs, helping you make the most of your space. By incorporating multifunctional furniture into your home, you can make the most of limited space while ensuring your living area remains stylish, organized, and practical. Vertical storage solutions. Look up to maximize your space. When it comes to organizing a small space, don't forget to look up. Vertical space is often underutilized, yet it offers endless possibilities for storage. By taking advantage of your walls and the height of your rooms, you can keep your floors clear while storing more. Here are some vertical storage ideas to help you optimize your space. 1. Wall-mounted shelves. Wall-mounted shelves are a fantastic way to store books, decor, and even kitchen items without taking up any floor space. These shelves can be installed in almost any room, adding both function and style. Use them to display your favorite books, plants, or store everyday kitchen essentials like spices and utensils. 2. Over-the-door organizers. The backs of doors are often overlooked but offer a perfect spot for extra storage. Over-the-door organizers can hold shoes, cleaning supplies, or accessories, making them a great solution for maximizing unused space. Whether it's in your bedroom, bathroom, or pantry, the simple addition can free up valuable floor area. 3. Tall cabinets and bookcases. Take advantage of your room's height with tall cabinets and bookcases. These storage pieces allow you to store a significant amount without occupying much of your floor area. Whether for books, kitchenware, or other items, vertical cabinets help you keep everything organized while keeping your space uncluttered. By focusing on vertical storage, you can create a more organized, spacious, and efficient living environment, making the most of every inch in your home. Creative storage hacks. Unlock new storage opportunities with a little imagination. Sometimes, the best storage solutions come from thinking outside the box. With a touch of creativity, you can discover new ways to organize your space and keep things neat. Here are some clever storage hacks that make the most of what you already have. 1. Underbed storage. The space under your bed is often overlooked, but it can be a goldmine for extra storage. Use bins or drawers to store off-season clothing, extra linens, or shoes that aren't in daily rotation. By utilizing this hidden area, you can free up closet and drawer space, keeping your room tidy and organized. 2. Magnetic strips. Magnetic strips are a simple, yet effective way to save space and keep items easily accessible. In the kitchen, install a magnetic strip to hold knives, scissors, or spice jars. In the bathroom, it can be used to store grooming tools like razors or tweezers. These strips help declutter countertops while providing quick access to your most used items. 3. Pegboards. Pegboards are incredibly versatile and can be customized for any room in your home. Hang them in your kitchen to store utensils, pots and pans, or in your craft room to organize supplies like scissors, ribbons, or markers. Pegboards can also work in garages or home offices, offering a flexible and stylish way to store tools or stationery. With a bit of creativity, you can unlock hidden storage potential in your home. These hacks are not only space-saving, but also practical ways to keep your living areas organized and efficient. Decluttering tips, the first step to efficient storage. Efficient storage begins with the clutter-free space. Before you can organize, it's important to clear out the items you no longer need. Here are some simple, yet effective decluttering tips to help you get started and maintain an organized home. 1. Sort and donate. One of the easiest ways to reduce clutter is by regularly sorting through your belongings and donating what you no longer use or need. Set aside time every few months to evaluate your items, whether it's clothes, books, or household goods, and donate anything that no longer serves a purpose. This helps prevent accumulation and creates more space for the things that matter. 2. Use clear containers. Clear containers are a great way to store items while keeping them visible. Unlike opaque bins, clear containers allow you to easily see what's inside, so you won't waste time rummaging through boxes. This simple solution keeps your storage areas tidy and accessible, making it easier to maintain organization in your home. 3. Label everything. Labeling is an essential step in keeping your space organized. Especially when using bins, boxes, or drawers, labels ensure that you can quickly find what you need without searching through everything. Whether it's seasonal clothing, kitchen supplies, or craft materials, labeling creates a streamlined system for efficient storage. By decluttering and adopting these simple habits, you'll create a more organized, stress-free environment. Starting with these tips will help you make room for the items you truly need while keeping your space tidy and functional. Hidden storage, maximizing space by hiding in plain sight. Sometimes, the best storage solutions are the ones you don't even notice. By incorporating hidden storage options into your home, you can maximize space without sacrificing style or functionality. Here are some clever ways to create more storage by hiding it in plain sight. 1. Hidden drawers. Furniture with hidden drawers or secret compartments is a fantastic way to store items discreetly. These drawers blend seamlessly into your existing furniture, allowing you to hide away valuables, documents, or everyday items that you prefer to keep out of sight. It's the perfect solution for maintaining a clean, organized space while keeping things secure. 2. False bottoms and drawers. Add an extra layer of storage by incorporating false bottoms into your drawers. This hidden space can be used to store small valuables like jewelry or important documents in a safe and discreet manner. It's an ingenious way to make the most of existing furniture, while ensuring your belongings remain easily accessible yet out of view. 3. Built-in storage. Built-in nooks, alcoves, and shelves are a great way to create storage without taking up extra floor space. These custom storage solutions are often designed to blend into the architecture of your home, offering both a stylish and practical way to store things. Whether built into walls, under staircases, or round doorways, built-in storage keeps your space organized while making use of every corner. By embracing hidden storage options, you can create a more efficient, organized living space, making your home feel more spacious while keeping clutter out of sight. Living in a small home doesn't mean you have to sacrifice organization or style. With these smart storage solutions, you can maximize every inch of your space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home organization tips. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.